Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pawan and in this video we are going to see about the continuation of my previous video, which means this is part 2 of my previous video. If you people haven't watched the part 1, the link is there in the description portion below, so do watch it first. Before getting into the video, I want to thank you guys for your love and support. We are close to 1400 subscribers now, so thank you for all your love and support. Okay, now let's start the video. What happened to my speedometer replacement? Has my speedometer got replaced? The answer is absolutely yes. My speedometer got replaced finally, but it was not easy for me. I faced some difficulties while replacing this speedometer, which I'm going to share with you guys now. If you people watched my previous video, that is part 1 of what happened to my speedometer and all other stuff, you people might be aware of that I got a call from the KTM as my speedometer part arrived. They asked me to come and replace it while making that previous video itself. So right next day after posting the part 1 video, I went to the service center. I hand over my bike to them and I was returning back to home. On that time I got a call from the service center guys. After dismantling my speedometer, they realized one thing: the replacement part procured by them was not suitable to my bike. Some of the connectors of LED version Duke is different from the previous gen halogen version. So it was a huge flop and I have to go back and I get my bike unchanged. On that time they assured me that they will be placing a replacement for they will be placing the order for proper replacement part this time. After this, what happened is I went on a short rain ride. On that time I realized that the speedometer is not only having the clock issues. If you watch my part 1 video, in that I mentioned my clock is not working properly, so I'm asking for the replacement. But on that rain ride I realized that it is having some more issues. The fuel meter started malfunctioning. It was showing some weird readings. It was keep on increasing and decreasing. It was fluctuating, and apart from that, all the indicators in the speedometer, like there will be some ABS light and shift light and everything else is there, right? The turn signal indicators and everything was started blinking by its own. On that time I realized that there is some serious issue with my speedometer. But what I did is, anyway, I applied for the replacement and my replacement part is on the way, so I was not worrying about it much. Finally, on 11th of December, I got a call from KTM service center as they received my replacement part. But after that, the past week, I was busy with some of the personal works. It's been almost 2 days since I replaced my speedometers. Fingers crossed, as of now, there is no problems and everything is working absolutely fine. This is how I got my speedometer replaced. So here is the topic of speedometer replacement is coming to the end. And now I want to say something regards to my mileage. What is the mileage I am getting after my first service? Actually, it went down like terribly. Seriously guys, I don't know why. Actually, I know why, because there are some changes in my riding style. Previously, like I was getting somewhere around 28 to 30 before the first service. But after the first service, what happened is I am getting somewhere around 22 to 24 in cities and 25 to 28 on highways. So it might be because of my riding style as well. I'm being little bit more aggressive with the throttle nowadays. I just wanted to give you an update about this. Now we are at the end of the video. If you people like my content, show some love in the form of likes and comments. Also share this video with your friends. If you people don't want to miss any of my future updates, you can subscribe, and I assure that hereafter I will be more frequent with this YouTube. Until my next video, stay tuned, take care and ride safe.